Hello guys, I'm here with a new video tutorial, a fork on the plate with pencil. If you like, let's draw it together. First of all, we draw an oval and later two smaller oval. Exactly this way, and shade the bottom of the plate. Look, now it's time to draw forks. Now it's time to draw the tines of the fork. Whenever you notice that we have drawn the wrong drawing, we will erase it. Please be patient while painting because painting taking time. Draw the same picture over and over again, but don't get frustrated because these failures happen to all of us. Now shade and black all parts. I specify the shadows and by blending stamp, spread all the blacks. And with an eraser, I specified all whiteness and light of the painting to get the shape of our drawing. An eraser pencil help you to have a better drawing. Carefully and delicately erase the painting. Several times by blending stamp and pencil, black the drawing and spread it until to get what we want. Our drawing is about to finish, and I hope this video was informative and useful. Thank you.